trendy weeknight faves here with Manitoba turkey producers, and we made some incredible recipes tonight with Janine Lafort, and we're going to walk through those again in just a moment. But first of all, we would like to share tonight's wonderful story. We have another one for you. We love getting your feedback on these as well, by the way. Check out Before the Plate.
Yeah, my dad has put in a pile of work with planting trees around the farmyard, and I feel very blessed that I'm the one that gets to enjoy it. Yeah, I think he may have planted well over 1,000 throughout his time here. I dream of one day having trails kind of through all the bush, and if I think of all the cops and robbers that I would have played with my brothers on the yard, envisioning my kids doing that one day seems pretty cool. My name is Landon. I grew up on this farm here, and I raise turkey and chicken in southeast Manitoba. I am 27 years old now, so I've been farming my whole life, growing up here, and now I get to enjoy spending time with my dad and running the farm with him, as well as farming with my family and my one-year-old.
I've been here on the farm for 2 years, together with my husband, and also farming together with his dad. Yeah, I grew up knowing about farming and understanding farming from uncles and family members, but there are differences when you actually move to a farm and it becomes your lifestyle. So the sporadic, spontaneous times when he needs to care for the animals has sometimes taken me by surprise. Work really is right here at home, and that has its pros and its cons, but I definitely think the pros outweigh the cons for sure.
Oh, it's very important that our turkeys are treated well and cared for well for many reasons, but I think one of the biggest ones would be because we want to give consumers the best possible product in the store. Each time we go in, we look that the fans are running, we're checking for feed, checking for water, making sure that the litter is still dry, and if there is any wet spots or some things we need to top dress, then we will add some shavings to make sure it's dry. And then also, yeah, just kind of viewing the birds and making sure that they look comfy. You'll see that if the turkeys are cool or chilled, that they'll be huddling together, then we'll warm the temperature up in the barn. And vice versa, if it feels hot and humid, we might move a bit more fan speed. I am very thankful that the barns are close to the house and I don't have to jump in the vehicle and drive somewhere, so that I can just walk out the back door. I'm blessed to have a wife that enjoys gardening as well. And then last fall, we actually made this garden bigger from what my parents had it, so that we could add a bit more produce. Micah also places flowers every year too, which I enjoy watching. And then we do, on actually the other side of the yard, we also grow Saskatoons that we get to pick and enjoy each year too.
It really is a gift that we get to live this lifestyle. I love the fact that we, in a sense, get to do life together just every day, and even going outside with my little guy and him seeing Dad across the yard and running up to him and getting a hug in the middle of the day. That's really special that we get to do life together as a family.
A few of the reasons my dad would have decided to plant trees was, for one, a shelter belt from the highway. It's nice to have a bit of privacy on your yard, and we have a big open yard, so the privacy there would be nice. Another reason is because we enjoy watching wildlife and animals, and having bush around your place just ups the odds of having animals around too. I love the lifestyle of being a farmer. I enjoy working with my family. It's a huge blessing to be able to take my boy, come into the barn and show him around, and I'm looking forward to getting to teach him one day the same things that my dad would have taught me.
Janine Lafort, so did you have fun tonight?
Oh my gosh, so much fun.
Are you going to come back and do this again, maybe?
So,
okay,
yeah.
Right on. It's so great to have you here. So, trendy weeknight faves, let's walk through our recipes one more time.
Yeah, so we started out with this beautiful pizza. It was a turkey burger flatbread pizza. It's kind of a deconstructed turkey burger. It's actually a family favorite in my house. My kids ask for it all the time.
All right.
It's so great.
The ringing endorsement from the kids is never a bad thing. Okay, and then we went on to this that creamy, mushy, yummy delish.
Yeah.
That next one, which was the baked turkey, tomato, and boursin with rotini. So
yes. Love that one. It's super trendy right now. You see it all over social media, except remember, we kind of amped it up a little with that turkey, made it with, more protein, more satisfying, more balanced meal. And yeah, it was just delicious and a fun meal to make too.
Super hearty. Of course, all of those recipes are available online for you to try. And then for season 34, we have our bonus online content. And you've got something special that you're going to be cooking up for us there as well. What's that all about?
We are barbecuing. We are doing some turkey kebabs with this just beautifully balanced peanut sauce. It's sweet, it's salty, it's sour. So good.
All right, well, we're looking forward to that. Try everything. Try it all. Get those recipes on greattastesmb.ca and let us know how it went. We'd love your responses, your reactions. Tell us what you loved. And of course, we're on all of the social media channels, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So great to have you with us every Saturday night. We're going to be back next week here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. We'll see you then.
Great Tastes of Manitoba. Brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods. Great Tastes of Manitoba. Proudly representing Manitoba farmers since 1991. Local farms, local foods. Great Tastes is produced by Frank Digital.